12 years of relationship.
12 years.
I mean, relationship.
Same.
What same?
I'm wearing a summer shirt. She's wearing a summer dress. And it's freezing here in Rohini. We're walking this stone path in heels, by the way. Manpreet, show your heels. Okay, so we're at Rohini Mandir and we're wearing the most ridiculous outfits. You're dressed normally.
Brown sweater.
Because you didn't follow the dress code. Priyanka, the friend that is getting engaged today, instructed us to wear red and nothing else. The rules clearly said no blue, no green, no white, no any color that normal people
No black, no off-white. You're supposed to wear only red.
wear. That's the theme.
Yes.
But the problem is, I don't own anything red.
Yeah.
This is Sudarshan, that's Manpreet. Come, Manpreet. So just like us, hey, are you guys public by the way?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, so just like us, these guys are an interracial couple. So we are official. This is the launch. This is the launch. This is the launch. Hard launch.
They're even twinning. This is the perfect time for you to come out.
I guess today's theme is all about interracial couples.
We just had to bring someone along. It was like +1 thing. So we had to bring someone along
So
with
why
us.
are you hugging and
I
why are you hugging and cuddling him? Okay, so how did you guys meet? So I'm the one responsible for this.
Mess.
So she's Punjabi, and he's he. What are you, Sujit?
I'm actually, I'm Dil Hindustan.
We are this weird, I guess, group. Something that's accidental, but we are all interracial groups. What?
Oh yes.
Do you realize that?
We kind of represent India like in a very true.
Punjabi, Nepali, Lepcha, Malayali. The Walker, the groom, is Bihari/Nepali. He's also mixed.
Yeah.
And Priyanka is pure
Bengali.
Bengali.
Pure Bengali. I guess we are the true representatives of our own country.
When you are dating someone, you don't really look at where they're from. Like, that's not the first thought. I just got along well with you. It only occurred to me, that we're from 2 different places when I had to bring it up to my family. That's when I was like, okay, it's going to be a little challenge.
It was different for me. I guess I had these things in my head that now I'm at a point of stage where I would just settle with someone who my family would approve. So when there was this approach or whatever we say from his side, I tried a lot to not get into this, but in the process
I'm irresistible.
of trying to avoid the whole situation, it was late to realize that I was already in that love or whatever you can say.
It's like when you get past the obstacles and the challenges, right? It's kind of like a union of 2 cultures. So you start to see like, you're not just celebrating it's not one culture against the other culture. Who's the
Right.
better culture? You see that you have the opportunity and the privilege to celebrate both cultures. Embrace and be part of one another. And that is India.
Bolo Bharat Mata ki. Time क्यों?
2:10.
2:10.
ये लड़की सुबह से 11 बजे से हम लोग यहाँ बैठा के अभी आ रही है, देखो.
English.
That lady.
That lady.
I don't know.
So Priyanka's finally here. We see her car. She called us at 11 a.m. and she's arrived here at 2:10. Who's this? Elsa.
How do I look? Nice.
You look beautiful. You called us at 11 a.m.
No, you know
and
how
you arrived
Indian
at
functions are. Of course, I am the star of the moment, then I'll be, of course, late.
4 hours late.
4 hours late, 4 hours went in makeup, okay?
So pretty.
Pura, you are looking so pretty, see?
No.
Look at so got to height.
Okay, so Priyanka, how do you feel?
I feel anxious because I want everybody to have a good time. So much so that I am not worried about my ring exchange ceremony. I was watching this thing. I subscribed to your YouTube, by the way. Subscribe to his YouTube. You should too. He is a very good filmmaker and I love watching his videos. So you should also subscribe. That's the end of the story.
Dulha Raza. Congratulations.
Thank you, bro.
The temple's all the way up there, so.
Hi, dear.
The dog wants to play. It's a pretty place, no?
Yeah, we came here.
Expected, eh?
We came here. We walked all around and we went up on the bridge. You should see the place.
This place is something else. So we're here at Priyanka and Diwakar's engagement. Congratulations, you two. Priyanka's a friend that I met through the course of work. Same with Manpreet. And today they're finally getting engaged.
I was saying I can forgive Priyanka for making us wait so long because her thing is happening in such a pretty place.
In the darkness when I'm stumbling and I don't know what to do, when it all feels overwhelming, I am never over you, and I don't know why I'm like this.
Manpreet, you're next.
कुछ भी क्या ही बोल रहे हैं दूसरा का हो रहा है.
That was a pretty quick engagement. It was like 20,
Hardly
15 minutes.
Hardly 30 minutes.
So we're here at the reception lunch. This place, Rohini, it's full of restaurants, resorts, homestays. It's a very popular tourist destination, and this is one of them. It's called Sitong Delights. I wanted to ask you one thing. When I first met Priyanka, I think our first conversation was we have a boyfriend / girlfriend of like a different culture, different language, and we don't know what'll happen. We connected on that level, and now we're married. You guys are going to be married soon. So what do you feel like? What has changed?
Nothing has changed actually. I mean, I knew that I'm going to marry him. I knew that day was going to come. But now that I'm here, it seems like
It was meant to be.
I know this person since 11 years. So it's very comforting. And it just flows. You don't have to worry about where it's going. It's just going.
11 years क्या होता है ना, it's like studying same book, है ना? तो अब एग्जाम देने जाएगा तो डर लगेगा? नहीं लगेगा ना? 11 years you have practiced. अभी भी तुम फेल हो जाएगा तो बस, है ना? कोई फायदा नहीं है.
What's your favorite thing about Priyanka?
She exists.
That was sweet.
Priyanka, what's your favorite thing about him?
He has a very big heart. He has a golden heart. Very big heart.
You're next, Manpreet. Are you afraid?
अभी what?
What?
Don't be afraid. I'm here.
जब मेरी मम्मी को सामना करना पड़ेगा ना ऐसे शरीर में कुछ नहीं है और भी सूख जाओगे तब पता चलेगा.
I always joke that if your parents on either side don't want your marriage or your partnership to happen, the best way is just to go to their house one day with a cute hybrid mixed baby and give it in their arms and be like, Mom, this is your grandchild.
As soon as the mother hears "Cuckoo, kaka," their heart will melt, you know.
They'll be like cuckoo kaka.
Because all a parent wants is a grandchild.
love you.
We just got done with dinner. It was supposed to be lunch, but nice people. Food was good. Food was really good. Everyone's just chilling now. Cheers. What's your wedding gonna be like?
कोर्ट मैरिज कोर्ट में ले जाऊंगी, साइन कराऊंगी, खत्म.